Let's make some easy, customizable pens. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we start with RSVP pens. You get them at Walmart. I printed this first one we're doing, I printed on cardstock, and these are all the little graphics that I made in Canva. Then I take my RSVP pen and I just unscrew the back. Hold on to that, we're going to use it later. Now here is our little thing that we just cut out. That piece is 4.5 by 1.5. We're going to cut it in half down the middle, and then we're going to, you saw, trimmed it to the size of the barrel for the pen. Now I'm using a thin, like a bamboo skewer, and I'm just trying to roll it on itself. I'm just going to tell you right now, this way is way more difficult for me than the next way I'm going to show you, but I'm going to show you this way too, because some people don't want to use the other way. All right, so you just roll it into like a little cylinder, okay? Roll it. It's a little bit, it takes a minute. It takes a minute. But listen, if this is the only way you can do it, I'm telling you, it's super cool. So then you just put it in the barrel. Look, it's so cool. Look how cool this is. It's a customized pen. Stop, right? Super pretty. Put the pen ink back in, screw it on. Lovely. Now, they do have a logo on this that says RSVP. All I did was take a magic eraser to it, and it took it right off. All right, now here's the other way. I got these straws at Dollar Tree. They are a smaller width than normal. I also have some printable vinyl. I printed my little graphic on the vinyl. Again, these are 4.5 by 1.5, but I'm going to cut them down further to fit this barrel. So again, it's about 3.5 inches long and what is it, like 3/4 of an inch wide. We're going to take the backer off. We have our little straw that we cut down to 3.5 inches. And now we're going to stick, it's like a sticker. We're rolling that vinyl onto the straw. Now, the reason why I like doing this rather than the other is because this way you could take this out of your pen and interchange it with other things. So you could have a pen and every day have a different inside. Like, what? Look at how cool this is. I mean, stop it. Super fun. And I'll be honest with you, I felt like that way was easier than the cardstock. That's just my opinion. But look this is the set we made the other day. And look, listen, I'm so excited because you could do so many different things. I packaged mine. Look at all of the different things you can do. And every single pen I did with the straw and the vinyl. And now we have matching sets. I don't know about you. Maybe because I'm a Gen X kid, having matchy things is a thing for me. Maybe it's not for you. It is totally for me. And this makes me super happy. And I'll be honest with you, if I don't sell any, that's okay, because I will use every single one of them. Yes, I am selling them at Inspired Creations. If you want one, message Paula with Inspired Creations. I'll put a link in the comments if you so desire to want one of those sets. But you can make your own. Easy peasy. All right, calm down, Colette. It's fine. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.